How to fix Snapchat location filter not working on Android. First of all, open your phone settings, then find the location settings and make sure location is turned on. Step 2 is go to settings again, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, tap on permissions and allow location access. Step 3. In Snapchat, tap your profile icon. That means open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon. Then settings, the gear icon. Then scroll down and find manage and make sure filters are enabled. The next step is clear Snapchat cache. Open Snapchat, go to your profile, then settings, then find clear cache and continue. Clear the cache. Then restart your phone and try adding a snap. Swipe left or right to check if location filter appear. If filters still don't show, update Snapchat from the Google Play Store. So open your Google Play Store, search for Snapchat and update if available. If the issue continues, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. If it still fails, the feature may not yet be available on your region. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel to get more helpful tutorials.